वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल अड्डा 20। कंप्यूटर बारे जानकारी लैने आप बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कंप्यूटर। सी मीनज कॉमन, ओ मीनज ऑपरेटिंग, एम मीनज मशीन, पी मीनज पर्पजली, यू मीनज यूड, टी मीनज टेक्नोलॉजिकल, ई मीनज एजुकेशनल, आर मीनज रिसर्च। कंप्यूटर डेफिनेशन। द वर्ड कंप्यूटर कम्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड कंप्यूट विच मीन्स टू कैलकुलेट। ए कंप्यूटर इज ए इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन दैट कैन स्टोर एंड प्रोसेस इंफॉर्मेशन। Computers work only binary system that use two variables 0 and 1 to complete tasks such as store data, calculation, algorithm and display information. It has the ability to accept data, process it and then produce output. A computer is an electrical machine that processes raw data to given information as output. A computer will accept data in one form and produce it in another form. Computer cannot itself think or reason. Computer diagram. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Monitor. A monitor is an output device that display information in image or text form. CPU, central processing device. Keyboard. A keyboard is one of the primary input device used with a computer. Mouse is a pointing device. Monitor, mass on Newton in train on rat. Computer monitor is an output device that display information in pictorial or text form. Previous monitor used a cathode ray tube, CRT and some plasma. Three main types of monitor: CRT, cathode ray tube; LCD, liquid crystal display; LED, light emitting diode. The main difference between a monitor and a television is that a monitor does not have a television tuner to change channels. Monitor often has higher display resolution than television. Next, CPU. CPU is a central processing unit. CPU, principal part of an digital computer system, generally composed of the main memory, control unit and arithmetical and logical unit. It is also known as brain of the computer. It carries out interaction and computer program and perform all the basic arithmetical and logical operation. Central processing unit, CPU, arithmetical logical unit plus control unit, CPU. CPU can be divided into three major categories. First, transistor CPU. Second, small scale integration CPU. थर्ड, लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन CPU। हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट चल देंगे। कीबोर्ड, कीज, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, जेट बोर्ड ऑपरेटिंग A to Z response directly. The keyboard is an input device that the keyboard is used to input any data into a computer or other device. Different types of computer keyboard: multimedia keyboard, mechanical keyboard, wireless keyboard, virtual keyboard, QWERTY keyboard, फ्लैक्सीबल कीबोर्ड। नेक्स्ट चल देंगे। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ माउस। मैनुअली ऑपरेटेड यूजर सिलेक्शन इक्विपमेंट। माउस इज पॉइंटिंग एंड ड्रा डिवाइस। माउस इज ए पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस यूज्ड टू कंट्रोल द मूवमेंट ऑफ पॉइंटर ऑन द डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन. इट्स नेम इज derived from the its shape and the connecting wires attached to the rear part of the device, looking like a tail and generally resemble. There are many types of mouse: optical mouse, wireless mouse, mechanical mouse, trackball mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device that controls a cursor in a GUI and can move and select text, icon, file and folder. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.